I'm so excited to let you know about our Skyrocket student engagement in your world language class 3-day challenge. It starts Monday. That is 2 days from now. Well, yeah, about today. Today's Saturday, so it starts this Monday, November 14th, and you can get a free ticket by going to worldlanguageteachers.tech. So worldlanguageteachers.tech. And you might be wondering, well, what is the 3-day challenge? Well, let me let you know what it is. So it's a 3-day on-demand professional development workshops for world language teachers. The day one is going to focus on how to build community in your classroom. This is so important, you guys. I hear so many problems. I talk to teachers every day because I'm in the Tech for World Language Teachers Facebook group, and I talk to teachers every day, and I hear a lot of what seem like classroom management issues, or seem like students not being willing to participate and things like that. And what they really are is a lack of community. So it's very easy to tweak. And so we talk about that in the How to Build Community in Your Classroom workshop. You'll discover how to connect with students, whether you're teaching in the classroom or online, depending on what you're doing. How to set expectations and get students buy-in. That is so important. How to motivate your students, how to easily get students to collaborate with yourself and with each other. And we'll talk about some fun, engaging icebreakers, which is really great. Now, day two, it's really, really good. Day two, well, all of these are really great. But day two is how to get your students to speak in a target language. That is a problem that I hear about almost every single day. Now, in the training, you're going to learn about the reason students struggle to speak in the target language, and you're going to discover some of the best strategies that work even if they're shy. And you'll find out the best tech tools that help you to easily get them talking in the target language and collaborating with each other. So that is an awesome training. That is day two. And then day three is creating class stories, comic book style. I go through my whole process about how I get the students talking in the target language. Some really awesome, fun ways to do that. So we'll cover how to easily collaborate with your students to create a story as a class, how to spark creativity in your students, the best practices to get students writing and speaking in a target language, and the best tech tools for creating comic style stories. So all of that is happening this week, next upcoming week. Now, let's talk about how you can participate in the challenge for free. And the benefits of participating. Not only do you get some awesome on-demand workshops, but you can also have a chance to win prizes. So make sure you claim your spot, register. And so it's inside the Tech for World Language Teachers Facebook group. You must be in the group in order to be able to fully participate and take advantage of all the resources. So anyway, every day you're going to get an on-demand training. So again, day one is going to be Monday. You're going to get via email. That's why you have to register, and you're going to get a PDF handout. So you get day one, you'll get the handout, and you'll have homework. Day two, you're going to get the same thing. So each day you get the training. You'll get a link with the training to the training and the PDF handout. So here's the example of the PDF handout for day two. So you're going to print this. After you view the workshop, you're going to complete this handout. Like, for instance, what are 3 ways you can get students talking more? You fill it out, take a picture, and then you go to the Tech for World Language Teachers Facebook group under the prompt for the day. All right, and here's the prompt for day two. And you're going to go ahead and put it, it's not posted yet, but when it's posted, you're going to go ahead and take a picture and upload it. The reason you want to do that is because you want to be able to have an opportunity to win the prize. Each day there's going to be a prize. Starting Tuesday, we're going to start giving a prize. So I'm going to be giving prizes, courses to the World Language Teacher Tech Academy. You'll get to pick a prize, each day, the winner. And on Friday, we will have a live Q&A, and I'll announce the grand prize winner of a 1-year fully paid membership to the World English Teacher Tech Academy All Access Club, which is our online professional development community. So the World English Teacher Tech Academy is our online professional development community, and it has all of our courses and things like that you can pick. But here is the All Access Club. That has the All Access Club. You get to get a full year membership, which is great. It's $39 a month, $3.90 a year. So you would get a full yearly membership for free. So that's really, really awesome. So that's going to be announced on Friday when we have our live Q&A at 6 p.m. So again, the more you participate, the more chances to win. So make sure, in order to participate, you've got to come and register. All right, so go to worldlanguageteachers.tech, register. Each day you'll get the on-demand training along with the accompanying PDF. Watch the training and then complete the PDF. Go participate. Make sure you post it in the Facebook group for a chance to win. So there'll be prizes announced on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday, the grand prize winner will be announced. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see who is going to win the grand prize of a fully paid yearly membership to the All Access Club. Will it be you? I don't know. We'll see. But you gotta register to win, and you gotta participate. And on top of the opportunity to win some awesome prizes, you're gonna get some really awesome professional development that is going to help you transform your classroom culture and the relationship with your students and get them talking and producing in a target language. So anyway, I can't wait to see you guys inside the challenge. Invite your World English teacher friends. Let them know to come on over. Let them know about the challenge. Share the link. I'll put the link in this video. Let them know to come over to the Tech for World English Teachers Facebook group and join us. We start this Monday. I hope to see you then. Bye.